Billy Bob Joe!
Yes, sir!
Get 2 morons to sing this so we can make more billions!
Yes, sir!
Okay?
I know the perfect people.
Hey! Welcome to Burger King. We have new footprints of burgers. What would you like?
You and some other idiot perform this song on camera and give it back to us by the end of the day so we make more money. Do you understand?
Whatever, dude. I'm high. There you go! There you go! There you go! Guess what?
What, man?
We're gonna be stars! The guy, the manager, he gave us this to sing a commercial. We could be like... We could be like Ozzy Osbourne. Or Rosie O'Donnell.
Oh, yeah!
And even get Megan Fox.
And free nachos.
Oh, free nachos and free Coke.
This is awesome! Belly Bob!
Yeah!
We should go get food.
Let's just start the show.
Yeah, just start filming.
Da 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 da. I work at Burger King making flame broiled whoppers. I wear paper hats.
Would you like an apple pie with that?
Would you like an apple pie with that?
Ding, fries are done.
Ding, fries are done.
Ding, fries are done.
Ding, fries are done.
I gotta run.
I gotta run.
I gotta run.
I gotta run.
I work at Burger King making flame broiled whoppers. I wear paper hats.
Would you like an apple pie with that?
Would you like an apple pie with that?
Ding, fries are done.
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 I gotta run.
I gotta run.
I gotta run.
I gotta run.
Don't back for fries and hot fatty meat.
They hurt bad and so does skin grass.
Would you like an apple pie with that?
Would you like an apple pie with that?
Wait for the bell.
Can't hear the bell.
Where is the bell?
Here is the bell.
Ding, fries are done.
Ding, fries are done.